All right, we're going to talk about properties of rhombi, rectangles, and squares. Okay, special parallelograms. The first one is a rhombus. A rhombus is a parallelogram with all sides congruent. Okay, so all four sides are congruent. A rectangle is a parallelogram with four right angles. And a square is a parallelogram with all sides congruent and all angles congruent. Okay, so four sides are congruent and four right angles. Okay, classifying special parallelogram. So here I have A, B, C. So I have this right here. And I have a right angle here. So what would this be? Well, this is an example of a rectangle. And then I have inside of it here, I have this. Well, this would be an example of a rhombus. Okay. All right, so theorems 613 and 614. If a parallelogram is a rhombus, then its diagonals are perpendicular. So if I know it's a rhombus, I know that these diagonals are going to be perpendicular. If a parallelogram is a rhombus, then each diagonal bisects a pair of opposite angles. So these angles, not only are they going to be perpendicular, they also bisect opposite angles. Okay? So here I have angle measurements. So if I know that this is a rhombus, this is 58, I actually can fill in a lot of other information. So I have angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Angle 1 is 90 degrees, right? It's the diagonals are going to form right angles, so that's a right angle. Well, remember, these opposite angles have to be the same, so they are actually going to be 58 and 58. Now, to find angle 4, I know that my triangle has to add up to 180. So I'm going to go 90 plus 58 equals 180, or what plus 58 gives me 90, so I end up with 32. Okay, so I'm going to go 58, 90 plus 58 equals 140 equals 180, 148 plus angle 4 equals 180, or angle 4 is 32. Okay, if a parallelogram is a rectangle, then the diagonals are congruent. So RC equals TE. Okay, so the diagonals are going to be congruent in a rectangle. So here's my rectangle. I have RC is 2x equals 15. TE is 5x minus 12. How am I going to find the value of x? What is the length of RC? Okay, I have to find the value of x. Now, one of the things is understand that they could have just given me TA, because RC is twice as big as TA, right? And so I could have just doubled it and got it. So I'm going to set these equal to each other. 2x plus 15 equals 5x minus 12. Subtract over my 2x. 15 equals 3x minus 12. I'm going to add my 12 over. 27 equals 3x. X equals 9. Okay? That's my value of x. That is not my answer to my question. So now it says RC. So RC is equal to 2x plus 15. I have to plug in my value of x. 2 times 9 plus 15. 18 plus 15 equals 33. Okay? So the length of RC is 33 units. What's big, gray, and wears glass slippers? Cinder elephant. And what kind of bear has no teeth? A gummy bear. Okay, so that's special parallelograms, rhombus, rectangle, square.